We're going to take another shot at the ballparks here. This is a different side of the park, actually the outfields. But there's a place right behind this sign over here that you can walk down there and get back to the concession stands. So we'll go check that out. No, it's 11. When that's 11s and 13s pop up, that 12's not a nickel. I found a penny here. There it is. Yeah, right there. Pretty corroded out here. Anything after 1982. Might have a quarter here. Some kind of little nut or something, a washer. But there's better signal than that. But I guess that was it. It must have been a pretty good piece of aluminum. No. There you go. Another little piece of another washer. Oh, doggone it, that's been good for a quarter, but now probably another penny. There it is. Every once in a while you might dig up one that's 60s or older than 82. They have more copper in them. Might be a dime here. Oh, there it is. Not too old there. Oh shoot. Ah. Couple of them. Here right in front of the, I guess you'd call the dugout here in 2930. That could be a quarter or a ring or something, so we'll see. Also might be part of a baseball cleat. It's awful hard. There it is. My golly. Found a quarter down there, right in front of the dugout. Okay, I'm gonna run out of bleachers here with dirt under them. I just found that quarter, and the rest of it's all concrete around here. And I'm gonna head back to the car. I'm going to another. Well, hopefully found that quarter here. Good signals for a quarter. Right there. Oh boy, this is some compacted stuff here. Good, I got it out. There it is. Oh, eagle back. That's a good sign. 1979 Eagleback. Pretty good shape too. Boy, it's pretty hot, huh? I don't know. I think there's some trash in here and some... Well, I'll be damned. That's enough to make some a penny. Huh. All that time I thought I was looking for a penny? No, sir. Might be a dime here. You can see how close I am to the parking lot here. I hope this might be a dime. I'm gonna make it's so hot right now, geez. Well, what else could go wrong here today? I think I found me a little... I think I found myself a little ring of some sort. It's tarnished, must be copper. Get a little better look at it there. Have it on. That's it. I'm done for the day. Well, good morning here. Been a good, huh? Well, something else with it here. I thought I was digging a penny, but I got a dime. Yeah, it's a dime there. I can't see it too good that way. There you go. It's a dime. Wow, that's a good dig there for finishing up. Well, I finished this up here this morning. I moved over in the shade from the ball field. I was out in the sun there for an hour and 45 minutes, a little bit of shade, but anyways, it was a pretty successful hunt. This is what I ended up with. Never dug so many pennies in all my life. I got 4 quarters and 8 dimes and a little bit of jewelry there. And pennies, and I didn't even video some of them. I just dug them up, and that's all the trash I found. Not much. So, all in all, it's a pretty good hunt there. I think this might be a ring of some kind, and this is a little necklace. It looks like it's got a little pearl inside. I'll clean it up at home so I can take a better look at it. So, that's going to do it out here at the ball fields. Well, and also, thanks for coming along.